It only works on PC computers. So today we're going to download a copy of the Outlook plugin. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we're going to install that. So first thing to do to get to the download area is you go to the bar up at the top where it says Administrator, and you're actually going to go to your profile. On earlier versions, 6.4 and below, you'll just straight off see your profile up there. You won't have to drop down. Once I click Profile, I'm going to get to my profile area, and then you'll see some tabs here at the top. We're going to go to Downloads. In Downloads, you'll see there's several plugins you can choose from. We want to do the Outlook plugin. You're going to have to figure out if your machine's a 64-bit or an 86-bit. If you don't know, go ahead and download both of them and try to open either one up. If you don't have the right one, it will not open for you. It'll give you a nice little warning message. Alright, so now we're switching over to the PC part. In this case, I'm using an 86-bit PC, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my folder for the Sugar Outlook download. I'm going to go ahead and double-click on Sugar Outlook Setup. You're going to get a nice little warning message that says cool, and then we're going to go through the Outlook Setup Wizard. I'm going to go ahead and click next for the first one. Now it's going to ask where we want to store the files. I always pick the default, so that's fine. In this case, you're ready to install. I'm going to click next, and then we're going to sit here and watch the status bar go across. This warning message is just asking if it's okay to install it. I'm going to say yes. And now the status bar is going across, so you'll know that you're installing it. When we get to this screen, we have successfully installed the Outlook plugin. I'm going to go ahead and hit close. And now I'm going to open up my Outlook. First thing we're going to do is go into add-ins, and you'll see that we have Sugar options and the ability to archive to Sugar, create a new Sugar record, and to sync to Sugar. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that your Sugar is connected to your Outlook. So we're going to go to Sugar Options and click there. And then you'll get the Sugar plugin properties box where you're able to create your connection. This is where you can do some certain preferences. So for username, that is your login. Your password is, believe it or not, your password. And then your URL is going to be your Sugar instance. You do have the ability to test the connection. And when you get the test successful, you are connected to Sugar. And that's all there is to it to connect your Outlook to Sugar. So when I click the add-ins box again, going to Sugar options, you can use these tabs to help you set up your Sugar and Outlook connection to maximize your usability of it for your company. Notice you can set conflict handling in each of the main ones, tasks, appointments, and contacts, where you'll be able to set which side is the dominant side to handle data conflicts. If you do need advanced Outlook connectivity, we do have third-party tools out there such as Riva, which sit on the server side of the application so that it handles all the emails and connectivity that way.